Hello guys, this is the first tutorial that I am about to give about PTC Creo parametric. It will be helpful for initial designers and mechanical engineers who are shifting on Creo software. Now let us go and do some stuff in the PTC Creo. When you open, the window will look like this. This is probably the student edition, yes. Might have some difference in the premium editions or industrial editions, but yeah, it's okay. For the first time, you have to go in the file new, then you can see the types of sketch is there, part is there, the assembly module, manufacturing, drawing, format, and one notebook is also there. Then we will let us directly shift on the part modeling. In part modeling, there are three subtypes. As you can see, solid modeling, sheet metal, and bulk. Now, as a beginner, keep on part modeling and go to the subtype solid. You can name whatever you want. I will put here test 1 or initial trial model. Then you can tick here use default template. Then it will say that illegal characters in input. So if you have to give a long name, then use underscore rather than using the dash. Okay, now it's fine. Now the software will take you to this window. Okay, you can see that these are the different planes: front X plane, front view, top view, and side view probably. Yeah. Now to start the sketching, first click on model, then click on sketch. Then it will ask you to choose a plane. I will choose the middle one. The middle one is YZ plane. For XY plane, you have to choose this plane, right? Then it will ask you orientation. The properties will be displayed here. Go to the sketch. After that, the UI will remain like this. So you have to check the options that are present here. Go to the sketch view. Now you can see that the XY plane has been selected. You can use the cursor so that you can zoom in and zoom out. Now go to the above menu. Here you can see file, model, analysis, then live simulation, etc. We need the sketch. In the sketch, we will sketch one circle. Okay, you can see that the circle has been drawn. Now, if you don't click escape, another circle will be drawn here. But we don't want to draw another circle. We only want to draw one circle. Click escape. After hitting the escape button, you will see that the dimensions, tentative dimensions according to the model size will be displayed here. Double click here. Let us say 100. The default unit is millimeter. You can see that the 100 millimeter diameter circle has been drawn. Again go to the sketch and click here OK. Now we want to extrude this model. For the beginners, use extrude command. Okay. Now we want to extrude it, but the software is not showing us anything. So you use your middle cursor, press it and hold it. Now you can see it, how the extrude command works. Click in the 100, double click it, and let us say we want 200. Okay, the circle has been extruded by 200 millimeter. You can also do it like this. Click on the extrude, then in the depth there are three options: extrude symmetrically on the both sides of the sketch planes. You can see that the sketch has been extruded on the both sides of the sketch planes. Then you can choose here as well. What do you want? 50 mm or etc. Then this option is the extrude up to the selected surface, but for which we will require to select one surface. So we generally prefer extrude, and let's give value 100 mm. Alright, now you can see that the 100 millimeter sketch has been extruded. Go to the extrude and click here OK. You can choose other options also. These are some of the preview options. Then here one is extrude at surface or extrude at solid, and placement etc. We will not go in that stuff. Click OK. Now you can see that our 100 millimeter extrusion has been done for the required circle. Okay. Now if I click on edit definition, you can see that we can edit the part directly. No need to draw another circle and extrude the part. That's it for this video. Thank you guys. Subscribe our channel. Bye. Take care.